Hey, what's up YouTube? The name is TheDuttyBerry. I know it is time to check out Mr. Dexta Daps' new mini movie, a new song called, what is it? Bring It Back to the Owner, Back to the Owner, Back to the Owner. I don't know if it is about slavery, I don't know if it is about the plantation system, but I guess I'm going to find out right now. But hear some people say it having some sex scenes, some nudity, a bag of things, so I don't know. I know say Mr. Dexta Daps step on him little Trey songs thing from Wadi, so let me go and see what this video is about. Come on, turn up, turn up. Okay. Girl in a bed and them something there. What a also nice. Alright, that's Seika. Boy, okay. Now the video, gun and slippers. Boy, Dexta man, Jesus. A third World Cup. Third World Cup. Lord God, them lyrics here, Jesus. Kids, do not watch this. Oh, take it from your teeth and things. Oh God, who she know? Are the slaves that are come? Boy, watch out! The girl take off her panty in the water. Yeah, swim and then you move, but boy, Dexta. Okay, she gone in the water now. But my girl can't swim. You can't. She not Jamaican. Can you know Jamaican girl no really can't swim good? Watch out! Watch out! What? But watch out! Jesus, please! You must suck off any of them. Lord of, oh gosh. Oh God, them are tight. Oh God, look at him face. Jesus, look at him face. Jesus Christ, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Oh gosh, oh God, them are back us on the pool table. Jesus beam. No sir. No, oh God, our batty jar. Jesus beam. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Oh gosh. Jesus beam. No, Jesus beam foot on shoulder. Lord of mercy. Lord of his mercy, Dexta. No, sir. I real some of this? No. Oh, Jesus beam. No, sir. The girl, no. Something not going on. No, Dexta look really in it. Jesus, oh Lord of his mercy. Slap the battery dry in a slow motion. Oh, wow. Oh, no, sir, them do it pan set. You can't trick me. Bombard. Catch your face, yeah. Watch for your face. No, I never know, so them could have asked so. Yo. No, Dexta, no. Jesus, just cry. Watch out. How much money should get for the video? Should look good, though. Wow. Alright, them done now. Alright, then done. Alright, you smoke it off now. You realize, oh, Jesus beam. Oh, Lord of his, oh gosh. Oh, it done now. Jesus! Jesus! Oh, God. Oh, something turn on this. Turn. Oh, this turn. Oh, this. Ah! Jesus! Oh, gosh. Them a do it for real? I real some of this? No, Cree. Them a do for real? Wait, I want this now. Wait, I want going. What is? Same just come out of the girl and walk gone so? But she's supposed to feel like shit. I want next girl I got to know. No Dexta, man. No Dexta. You just don't do good and all kind of something and you never bathe. You just put on your jacket suit so you never bathe and wash your hand, man. Jesus Christ, man. And that's why you never shake people hand, you know. Wow. Jesus, Pim. I never expect to see that a while ago. Bring it to the owner. You don't say the talk you around the place now. Everybody will say, yeah, back to slavery in the bedroom, the plantation system. And them sort of hierarchy they go on. Big up yourself, all the mullah of them. You know them people that them run with slave there. The slave when they get for cook, wash and clean and stay in the house and them something there. Big up them people that call, yo, bring it to the owner. Wow. Now Dexta, this was good. It's very careless. But at least it look well put together. I'm like, so yeah, take the thing to a different level. Alright. When me want to know, you think so them did that dugu in the real video? Or you think them just did that do the acting 100%? Come on, like me, hey, boy, the acting, boy. If I act them act, no, Dexta, you need an award. You need one Oscar. You need them face that they look well real. Like the girl a queen some. And the girl there, boy, oh boy, big up yourself. But hope you get a fat paycheck for the video there, cause Jesus, Pim, your face I don't know now. It was a good look, the song sound good, so that's it, people. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe this video. Dexta Daps, bring it to the owner. If you want to email me, it is TheDuttyBerryShow, TheDuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Make sure you like and you share it and you comment below what you think about the video. Man, I have nothing more to say. No, boy, Dexta, boy, dancehall, I get very hot from what they say. I Shauna there, she gone with the equal rights thing, she turn the thing. Me not even want to see what the video they gonna look like. Cause the Dexta drop this now, him turn up the thing, yes or no. Boy, me don't know that. Boy, oh boy, the thing competitive now. The thing well competitive, man. If you turn the artist now. Put the ice by your elbow. Put your ice by your elbow, whoa, whoa. Put the ice by your elbow. Pass a fingernail and cut your toe. What? What? That was so stupid.